Good day everyone, my name is Bea Barisolino from Group 6, together with my group members, Renbert Mangumayaw, Israel Enfiesto, and Maria P. Abasula. My topic for today is all about Chapter 11, the national symbol of the Philippines. This symbol will define the culture of a country. Symbols are crucial for a country's culture, representing its unique identity and values. They can be objects, words, or action with complex association. Jose Rizal, a national symbol for the Philippines, embodies his ideal and values, making him a unifying symbol and hero for the Filipino people. Symbols create representation and connect people worldwide. National flag. The flag of the Philippines shall be blue, white, and red with an 8-ray golden yellow sun and 3 5-pointed stars. National anthem. Lupang Hinirang is the official title of the national anthem. This anthem will always be sung in the national language within or without the country. National tree. The Nara tree is identified as the national tree of the Philippines. This tree represents presidents. National flower. Sampaguita, or known as the Arabian jasmine, is a white star-shaped blossom which has a sweet fragrance. It is also best known for its medicinal properties. The national bird. The Philippine eagle that can be found in rainforest in the Davao region is considered to be the largest, strongest, and most powerful eagle in the world. National gem. It is known as the South Sea Pearl and is considered as the oldest valued gem in the Philippines. The Philippines is symbolically known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas. National sport. It is considered as one of the oldest forms of martial arts in the Philippines, Arnes or Arnes de Mano. Arnes has multiple names across the Philippines such as Eskrima, Kale, and Garrote. It's a Filipino martial art that usually involves 1 or 2 sticks used to strike, thrust, and parry for defense and offense. The House of Congress had pushed for other national symbols to be recognized. Other symbols are not as unofficial or colorum or symbols that have no legal basis. These are the following symbols that are unofficial yet traditionally accepted by many as symbols of our identity as Filipinos. The national leaf. The anahaw leaf is a large type of leaf with a ground fan shape that is glossy and in green color. It is commonly used as fan, roof for the nipa hunt, and wrapper for food. National fruit. An aromatic, delicious, and nutritious fruit, the mango is considered to be the national fruit of the Philippines. It has a lot of varieties like the mango calabaw, mango pico, mango Indian, mango paho, and mango supsuin. National house, known as Bahay Kubo or Nipa Hut, shall be recognized as the national house. The national animal. The carabao or water buffalo, or best known as calabaw, is a gentle but hard-working type of a mammal. National fish. The milkfish or bangus is widely popular in the Philippines and in Asia. National food. The Filipino foodness or adobo had aimed the title as the unofficial national food of the Philippines. National dance. According to House Bill number 3926, Cariñosa is a Philippine folk dance with Hispanic origins. The term is adapted from the Spanish language, which means affectionate, a characteristic of most Filipina women. It is a courtship dance that portrays act of flirtation between a man and a woman. House Bill number 3926 also promotes other symbols like the city of Manila as the national capital, the Malacañang Palace as national set of the government Filipino, as the national language of the Philippines, Bayan Ko as the national song, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. For God, people, nature, and country. Is the national motto, the national coat of arms, and the national seal of Republika ng Pilipinas, the Philippine peso, the national currency, the Barong Tagalog for the male, and the Barong Saya for the female, is the national costume. The bakya as the national slippers, and the Philippine jeepney as the national vehicle. It is the aim of this bill to integrate and promote patriotism and nationalism that this symbol represent in the development of history and identity as Filipinos and as one nation. Philippine Congress, HB number 3969-2020.
This is only significant that Jose Rizal property and the interference of the lives of people. Because of that, he did promoting our culture and heritage to the rest of the world. Again, he is the truth and important sense of the identify for the country, even until his died, that he sacrificed himself to define his beliefs. First is traits of personal sacrifice for welfare of country. Second, the motive and method employed in the achievement of the idea. Was his idea proposed for the welfare of country and without any themes, morally and value.
Good day everyone, my name is Renbert H. Manggumayaw and our topic is about choosing Jose Rizal as your national hero and symbol. So Jose Rizal is our national hero and symbol stems from his significant contribution to Philippine history, culture, and quest for independence. So here are some reasons why Jose Rizal was chosen as the national hero and symbol of the Philippines. Intellectual brilliance in literature and science. So Jose Rizal is known for his brilliance in the field of literature, medicine, philosophy, and more. His literary works such as No Limit ang Here and El Filibusterismo showcase critical thinking and advocacy against oppression and injustice. So si Jose Rizal is nailhan sa iyang kabright sa mga larangang panitikan, medisina, filosofiya ug ang duha ka novel nga iyang gibuhat is nagpakita niya siya sa mga pang-aapi or mga pang-aabuso sa mga dayuhan. Next is ang defense of Filipino rights. As a writer and intellectual, Rizal defend the rights and freedom of Filipino against foreign oppression and abuse. Through his writing, he emphasized the importance of education, unity, and love for the country. So gipaglaban ni Jose Rizal ang karapatan ug ang kalayaan sa mga pang-api ug pang-aabuso sa mga dayuhan. So next is ang symbol of national identity. Through his action and principles, Rizal became a symbol of the national identity for Filipinos. His love for the country, intellect, and commitment to justice inspired and identified with the Filipino people. So dahil sa mga nabuhat ni Jose Rizal o iyang paninindigan, nahimo siya og national hero of the Philippines tungod sa iyang pagmamahal sa Pilipinas ug panindigan sa katarungan nga naghatag og inspirasyon para mailhan sa mga Pilipino. So dahil sa sakripisyo ni Jose Rizal is diha siya nailhan sa mga tao ug gihimo siya nga national hero of the Philippines ug naghatag og kusog ang makuha ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas gikan sa mga
My name is Israel Invisto. Today is about the topic Jose Rizal life values his perpetual legacy. So, Rizal was a prominent Filipino nationalist, novelist, ophthalmologist, and revolutionary during the late 19th century. Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. His life and legacy have had a profound impact on the Philippines and Filipino people. So, ang sugilano ni Rizal is ano siya ay patriotism and nationalism. So Rizal was passionate advocate for Philippine independence and the right of the Filipino people. So si Rizal daw is usa ni siya ka madasigon tigpasiugda sa kini kagawasan sa Pilipinas o katungod sa katawhang Pilipino. Siya ang tigig kanang hatag o kanang mga kagawasan niya. Ang iya pong mga sinulat is naghatag pud ni o kanang kadasigon sa mga Pilipino. Next is non-violence resistance. Rizal believed in a power of non-violent resistance and advocate for reform and independence through peaceful means. He rejected the use of the violence even in face of Spanish expression. So si Rizal is on po ni siya kanang kanang bisan o kanang ginalutos po ni siya o kanang kaning bisan og kanang siya kanang ba kanang og nagatuo po ni siya sa kanang nagbilib po siya sa kanang educated reform independence peaceful means. Next is educational and enlightenment. Rizal was a strong proponent of education and believed that it was the key to the Philippines' peace and development. So kanang si Rizal is naghimo po rin siya o kanang eskwelahan, mga eskwelahan para ang mga Pilipino is maka-eskwela og tarong o dili ignorance. So nakatabang na siya sa pag-develop sa Philippines. So next is really genius. Rizal was a prolific writer and his novela. So si Rizal is napo ni siya gihimo nga kaning novel. So Noli Me Tangere og El Filibusterismo, no? Mo ni siya yang sinulat nga mga nabil. Number 5 is moral courage. Rizal faced persecution, imprisonment, and ultimately execution for the political views and activism. Dako jud. So si Rizal is nagatubang na siya sa kanang paglutos, pagkabilanggo, apan nagpabilin siyang ligon ang iyang prinsipyo. So si Rizal is na siya usa ka prinsipyo nga ginahuktan. Once nga maog na siya, iya gina siyang barugan, no? Naapod siya mga moral nga kaiso. So next is number 6 is humanism and universalism. Rizal worldview was shaped by a deep respect for human dignity and belief in universal value of justice, equality, and human rights. So kani si Rizal is dako ni siya kayo og pagtahod sa mga katawhan kanang respectable gid siya ba, no? Nya mo ni siya respectable siya. Ang kanang iyang kinaiya is mo na siya naghatag pod sa ato ang lugar diri sa tanan nga mga katawhan niya. Masundog ang iyang kinaiya nga napay respeto. So ang ang kinabuhi ni Rizal is nagpadayon sa pagkadasig, nakahatag kini og kanang nagpadayon sa pagkadasig sa mga Pilipino. Og siya pod, si Rizal pod is tinawag ni siya nga giisip po ni siya nga bayaning Pilipino sa nasod nun din sa kanang Philippines. So that's all.